Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to a place where we empower women to take charge of their health naturally. If you're on your fertility journey, whether you're trying to conceive, preparing your body for pregnancy, or just looking to support hormonal balance, this video is especially for you. Today, I'm sharing 4 powerful healing soups designed to nourish your reproductive system, balance your hormones, and gently prepare your body for new life. These aren't just recipes, they're rituals of self-care rooted in nutrition and ancient wisdom. Let's begin with a simple question. Why soup? Soups are gentle on the digestive system, rich in nutrients and incredibly hydrating. When you're trying to conceive, digestion plays a vital role. You want your body in a calm, receptive and nourished state. Warm, slow-cooked soups can deliver fertility-enhancing nutrients directly to your cells in the most absorbable form. Think of them as love letters to your womb. Our first soup is a classic, the bone broth booster. Bone broth is rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all essential for egg quality and a strong uterine lining. This broth supports gut health, reduces inflammation, and gives your reproductive system a major mineral infusion. I recommend sipping a cup daily or using it as a base for other soups. Next up is a hidden gem, miso seaweed soup. This one's inspired by Japanese postpartum traditions, and it's packed with iodine and trace minerals that support thyroid health, a key player in fertility. Dr. P, your thyroid controls ovulation and menstrual cycles. Even a subtle imbalance can throw things off. Seaweed is a natural source of iodine, while miso supports gut flora, helping with estrogen detoxification. This soup is simple, nourishing, and deeply grounding. Our third soup is the red lentil and carrot fertility blend. It's high in plant-based protein, fiber, and beta-carotene, which is essential for healthy progesterone levels. Dr. P lentils are one of the top fertility foods, rich in folate and iron, which are vital for egg development and implantation. The carrots add a touch of sweetness and a healthy dose of antioxidants. Finally, we turn to traditional Chinese medicine with the herbal chicken fertility soup. This one's deeply restorative and often used during fertility treatments or post-miscarriage healing. Dr. P red dates and goji berries nourish the blood and boost circulation to the uterus. Dangui helps regulate the menstrual cycle and replenish energy. This is comfort food for your entire endocrine system. Your fertility journey is sacred. It's not just about getting pregnant. It's about honoring your body, your emotions, and your timeline. These soups are here to support you with warmth, nourishment, and love. And remember, fertility is not just physical, it's emotional, spiritual, and deeply personal. Dr. P, take care of yourself, beautiful. Your body is wise, your womb is sacred, and you're enough. I'll see you in the next video.